How to buy crypto with American Express card. So what you're gonna have to do, first of all, you're gonna have to apply for a card from American Express. So simply go to americanexpress.com, then click on cards, and you can see here that you have a lot of options. I usually go with the no annual fee one, and you can simply apply for it, and basically you're gonna get a credit card. As you can see, you're gonna get cashback, and you have a lot of benefits. And the most important thing is that you don't have fees. As you can see, no annual fee. Now the next step is to simply go to any crypto exchanges. So I recommend you to use Binance because it's the biggest one and the most secure one, and then simply click on buy crypto. Then you're gonna have to simply enter your currency and then choose which crypto you want to buy and how much worth of that crypto you want to buy. So let's say $1,000, and then you're gonna have to simply create your account, and then you're gonna be able to buy Bitcoin, and then you're gonna have to simply use your card, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.